Hello there. Today we're in a Mark II Ford Focus and I'll show you how to change the temperature display on the dashboard from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Or vice versa. Now we have two screens on the dashboard of this car, the top screen and the bottom, both of which can display the temperature. And as you can see, at the moment, this car is displaying in degrees Celsius. So let's change it to Fahrenheit. So step one is to insert the ignition key, like so, and then turn it 2 clicks to the right, 1, 2, and then wait for the dashboard to light up, which it now has. We now need to move our attention to this wand on the left of the steering wheel, and it includes this scroll wheel that moves up and down as indicated by those arrows, and there's also a set button on the end that you operate by pressing it inwards. And what we need to do is move this wheel upwards until we see your settings on the lower screen. So let's have a go at that. And there it is, your settings. So we now need to press the set button on the end of the wand, like so. And that gives us this screen. And now we need to scroll up on the wheel until we see measure units, which is there. And as you can see, it's currently set to imperial. So let's once again press the set button on the end of the wand. And you can see it's now changed to metric. And all we need to do now is turn off the ignition. And there we are. The car is now displaying the temperature in Fahrenheit rather than Celsius. Well, there you go. That was nice and easy. And of course, if you want to change it back, just reverse the process. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. There's plenty more Ford Focus content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Farewell!